Good afternoon. This is Karen Spar, Executive Vice President of Southport Oak Island Area Chamber of Commerce, and we had the pleasure of cutting the ribbon on the new Dosher Medical Long Beach Road facility. And it is wonderful to have this facility in our community. Today we have with us...
I'm Kate Inman. I'm the Practice Network Administrator for our clinics at Dosher. And we have recently had Steve Baxley, who's a nurse practitioner, join our group of physicians and practitioners across the Oak Island, Southport area in all of our different clinics. And Steve is going to be at the Long Beach Road Clinic, and he is here extended hours. So they start clinic at 7:30 in the morning to hopefully help with scheduling of appointments for those that may need to do that before work. Or later in the afternoon for those that are after school or after work. So we welcome Steve.
Thank you.
Steve, tell us a little bit about your background.
I've been a nurse practitioner for several years. Was a registered nurse prior to that for years, worked ER intensive care units, and prior to that was Navy corpsman for quite some time. So I've got a pretty extensive background in emergency medicine and family practice.
So you've seen a lot.
A little bit.
Yeah. So that'll help you out when you're doing the general practice here, correct?
Yes. So this is a primary care clinic, and Steve is seeing patients of all ages, children all the way through patients as they age and need additional chronic care management types of services, and Steve is able to provide that as well as education to patients.
We were talking about holistic attitude or philosophy
Right.
toward medicine.
Yeah, I kind of have a holistic philosophy that I want to make sure that patients have a good quality of life. And what I do is do a lot of education with patients on preventative causes, so that way we can hopefully give them that quality of life and hopefully keep them off medication. So, in last resort, if we have to, we prescribe and put patients on. But the goal is to have the patients a part of their own health care.
And how important is it to get a regular checkup?
So we want everybody to get that preventative health screening, and sometimes that is considered a physical, which involves more so a physical exam along with your preventative screenings. For those that are Medicare age or on a Medicare Advantage plan, they do not cover a physical. They cover what is called an annual wellness visit. We want to encourage everybody to have that done as well. It is still a preventative plan, and it helps your provider make sure that we can keep you healthy as long as possible and off of those meds like Steve's approach. So that's always a goal for us. And all of our clinics provide annual wellness exams.
So the wellness just keeps you from getting too far down the road on something that you should have taken care of already, correct?
Right.
Again, where are you located?
So,
This is on Long Beach Road, and the address, I'll let you give the address here.
sure. It's 4222 Long Beach Road, and we are at the Dosher Medical Plaza, close to the airport, and not far from the chamber.
Great.
So,
And your telephone number if they want to make an appointment.
the phone number here is 910-457, I'm sorry, I'm cheating, 3996.
So 457-3996. Make your appointment today, and we are so excited to have you in our community, and thank you so much for the service you provide.
Appreciate it. Thank you.